Hello everybody, this is Shindy Chankiri, live reporting from Kuda Futsal Arena. Okay, we're gonna interview some people right now. The tension is quite intense. We have our youth director with us, Mr. Maung Tushi. We're gonna ask you a question. Describe the Saisapong in one word.
Fellowship.
Describe the Saisapong in one word.
Tulong-chung. Fun.
Unity! Dreaming! Sportsmanship! Keep the faith!
For the unity.
We have a very important person among us. I have a question to ask. Describe the Saisapong in one word, sir.
Challenging.
Thank you.